Alright, so we're just going to start by cleaning the ears. Make sure the bottle's open. Oh my goodness.
It's not open.
Get a nice good amount down in there and give it a good rub. So you want to hear that squelchy noise. And then we get our cotton wool and we just give it a bit of a clean, get all the gunk out. It feels nice and good because it's really itchy in there. And we like to pull the ear up a bit because their ear canal is shaped like an L. So we stretch it up a little bit so it goes a bit straighter so we can get it nice deep down the ear. Good boy. You clever boy. And then the other ear. I know it feels funny. Squelch, squelch, squelch. Good boy. Good boy. You're a clever man. Yes, you are. All right, and then now we will put the ear medication in. It's a good idea to pre-open your bottle. All right, and we like to measure it out so we know we're putting the right amount in. A little bit of shake of the head is fine. He's just moving about all the gunky stuff in there. And we're putting in 0.7 mil. So same thing, we pull the ear up so it's straight. And then the syringe is parallel to his head and squirt it in. And squelch, 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 give it a good rub. And this one we don't clean out. This one stays in there. Ooh, itchy, itchy. Squelch, 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 rub it in good, and we're done.